Severe weather still rolling through Arkansas at this hour, leaving several people injured, power outages in parts of the state. Thanks for watching this evening. I'm Beth Hunt in for Scott Inman.
And I'm Christina Munoz. For the very latest, let's get right over to the Weather Center, where Chief Meteorologist Ned Perme and Meteorologist Brandt are tracking the entire state for us. What can you tell us?
Well, overall, it started out as a very active afternoon. It really blew up quickly, Barry, starting about 3 o'clock this afternoon, and then was pretty relentless in through west central Arkansas. Things are beginning to quiet down a little bit. We only have one tornado warning at the present time, and that is moving into Montgomery County right now. And we can take a look at our 5 live Doppler radars, and then Barry will take a look at VRAD, which we've been doing all afternoon. That's the active warning that we have right now. You can see far northwestern sections of Pike County into areas of Montgomery County, west central Montgomery County. This tornado warning is in effect until 6:30. And from the center of circulation right there, it's moving toward the east at about 25 to 30 miles an hour. So Huddleston, Mimosa, Gaston, Black Springs, and Odin. Odin has already been affected once earlier today by very strong storms. And of course, they moved into Garland County and sections of Perry County as well. Now on our VRAD, Barry's got a little bit of the outline of that storm.
Yeah, all of this is kind of a large clump. I mean, you see something like this, you don't, it just doesn't scream tornado warning to you, but there are some pockets of rotation within that, and those bright reds and bright greens coming together there do indicate some amount of rotation in a few spots sort of on the south side of this, southern Montgomery County, southern Polk County, and they're all moving off to the east. Again, there is only one tornado warning officially in effect. That's for places like Mount Ida and Norman as they move off to the east. So these storms are moving, but they were certainly active a little bit earlier on in a number of spots.
We still have on our graphics computer a tornado watch that's in effect until 9 o'clock tonight, although overall the severe threat has decreased. Only that one warning in Montgomery County primarily is the strongest cell that we've got. But earlier this afternoon, we had a number of them, and we got a lot of video and pictures in from our viewers. Meteorologist Todd Yakoubian is standing by right now with some very important pictures kind of showing us today that these warnings were warranted for sure. Todd?
Yeah, Ned and Barry, we want to thank everybody who sent in those pictures. Photo at KATV.com. And as we always tell everybody, please do not put yourself in harm's way. And we showed you at 5 o'clock, there was some video that was sent in to us from Robert Wilson on Brady Mountain and looking at Lake Ouachita. This is the same video, but in high resolution. We want to thank him very much for sending that. Jason Shamlin sent it in to us as well. But you see the tornado actually going over the lake here and then coming across the lake. Now, Entergy is reporting power outages on both the south and north side of Lake Ouachita, but that is just some amazing video there. And this picture from Drew Wright as that tornado was sucking up water. It's like a giant vacuum cleaner, just sucks whatever it can off the ground. And when it goes over the lake, it takes on the color of the water. Here's another picture. You know, Odin was hit. That was the first community that was struck by this round of tornadoes. It doesn't look like a huge tornado, but nevertheless, there it is, and it caused most of the town to lose all of its electricity, trees and power lines down. And we do have reports that some homes were damaged as well in the Odin community, which is in far western areas of Montgomery County. Look at this lowering near Amity and Glenwood. We've been getting a ton of video, and I've got some video that I'm going to post on my Facebook page a little bit later on. But this, I can't tell if it's on the ground here, but definitely a wall cloud. This is a lowering. You can't tell if there's anything on the ground because of the horizon here with the trees, but we do have reports of some damage in the area, and it's more than likely caused by a tornado. So again, photo at KTV.com. Please send in your pictures and video, but again, we do not want you to put yourself in any harm's way. Ned?
All right, thank you, Todd. Taking a look at the rainfall that we've had, and I think, Barry, that's going to be a bigger problem that we've got as the night wears on with some of these dying thunderstorms as they decay. They're going to leave quite a bit of rainfall, and we've already seen a lot of rain, over 1/4 of an inch in some locations of western Arkansas. There's an overview of what happened today as these thunderstorms move through west central Arkansas, the prime spot, and they're still containing very heavy rains through Garland County, Saline, and western Pulaski County. And right now, temperatures 75 degrees. Rain cooled in many areas. And for tomorrow, we're looking at Cabot, a little bit of a lull in Conway, 20% probability. In Hot Springs, temperatures back up into the 80s tomorrow. And from Benton and Bryant, Searcy, and Pine Bluff in the mid to upper 80s. We'll have more with your forecast and what to expect into the weekend, and that's coming right up.
Okay, thanks so much, Ned and Barry.